How to disable filter keywords on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable filter keywords on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile and click these three lines in the top corner and click settings and privacy, and now just go down here, this one here into the top privacy, and click comments, and here we'll find filter keywords. If you want to disable it, just click on it, one click, and that's it. Filter keywords have been disabled.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.